Welcome back to Learning English with Megan and David.
We're so glad you could join us today.
Today, we're going to talk about something very important: how to express your feelings in simple English.
And we're going to do it without fear.
A lot of English learners feel afraid to speak.
They worry about making mistakes.
They think their English isn't good enough.
But today, we want to tell you something important.
You don't need perfect English.
You really don't.
Simple sentences are powerful.
Very powerful.
Let me give you an example. If you're sad, you can just say, "I'm sad."
That's it. 2 words. I'm sad.
You don't need a fancy sentence.
You don't need big vocabulary.
Your feelings come before grammar.
Always.
Let's practice some simple feeling sentences.
I'm happy.
I'm tired.
I'm worried.
I'm excited.
I'm confused.
See? All of these are just 2 or 3 words.
But they communicate so much.
Now you try. Say one feeling out loud.
Pause.
Good job. Let's practice more feelings.
I'm nervous.
I'm proud.
I'm frustrated.
I'm grateful.
I'm scared.
These are all real feelings.
And they're all okay to say.
A lot of people think they need to explain their feelings with long sentences.
But you don't.
Sometimes short is better.
Let me give you an example. Imagine someone asks, "How are you today?"
You might feel pressure to say something like, "I am feeling very stressed because I have many things to do at work and I did not sleep well last night."
That's a long sentence, and if you're still learning, it's hard to say.
But you can just say, "I'm stressed."
Or, "I'm tired."
Both are perfect answers.
The other person will understand.
Let's practice. How are you today?
Pause and answer with just 2 words.
Great. Let's try again. How are you feeling right now?
Pause.
Wonderful. You're doing great.
Now let's learn how to add just a little more information.
You can add 1 word to explain why.
Like this. I'm tired today.
I'm happy now.
I'm nervous sometimes.
See? We just added 1 small word. Today, now, sometimes.
This gives a little more information, but it's still simple.
Let's practice. I'm sad today.
I'm excited now.
I'm worried sometimes.
I'm angry right now.
Now you try. Pick a feeling and add today or now.
Pause.
Excellent work.
Now let's talk about something important. Feelings come before grammar.
This is something many English learners forget.
They focus so much on grammar that they forget to communicate.
But communication is more important than perfect grammar.
Always.
Let me give you an example. Imagine you say, "I feeling sad."
That's not perfect grammar. The correct way is, "I feel sad," or "I'm sad."
But even with the mistake, people will understand you.
They know you're sad.
And that's what matters.
So don't be afraid to speak.
Even if you make a grammar mistake, you're still communicating.
And communication is the goal.
Let's practice some more feeling sentences.
I feel lonely.
I feel proud.
I feel confused.
I feel comfortable.
I feel uncomfortable.
All of these are simple and clear.
Now let's learn how to ask someone else about their feelings.
This is just as important.
The simplest question is, "How are you?"
Or, "How do you feel?"
Both are good.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Hi, Megan. How are you?
I'm tired. How about you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking.
See? Short and simple.
Let's try another one.
Hey, David. How do you feel today?
I feel happy. And you?
I feel okay.
Perfect. These conversations don't need to be long.
Short is fine.
Now you try. Ask someone, "How are you?"
Pause.
Good. Now answer, "I'm."
Pause.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about something many learners worry about.
They worry about sounding too simple.
They think, if I say short sentences, people will think I'm not smart.
But that's not true.
Simple sentences don't make you sound less intelligent, they make you sound clear.
And clear communication is intelligent communication.
Think about it. Even native English speakers use simple sentences.
When someone asks, "How are you?" they usually say, "I'm good" or "I'm tired."
They don't say long, complicated sentences.
So you're doing exactly what native speakers do.
You're communicating clearly.
Let's practice a few more times. I'm happy today.
I'm nervous right now.
I feel proud.
I feel worried.
Now you try. Say any feeling sentence.
Pause. Great job. Now let's learn a few more feeling words.
These are very useful in daily life.
Calm, anxious, hopeful, disappointed, relieved.
Let's use them in sentences.
I feel calm.
I feel anxious.
I feel hopeful.
I feel disappointed.
I feel relieved.
Let's say these slowly so you can practice.
I feel calm.
I feel anxious.
I feel hopeful.
Now you try. Pick one and say it out loud.
Pause.
Wonderful.
Okay, now we're going to do a short role play.
Let's imagine you're at work. Someone asks how you're doing.
Ready?
Hey Megan, how are you today?
I'm a little tired, but I'm okay. How about you?
I'm good, just a little busy.
I understand. Me too.
See? That was a real conversation.
Short, simple, clear.
Now let's practice. I'll ask you.
Hey, how are you today?
Pause and answer.
Good. Now let's switch.
You ask me.
Pause.
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
Perfect. You're getting the hang of this.
Remember, you don't need fancy English.
You just need honest communication.
In part 2, we'll learn how to add just a little more detail to your feelings.
We'll also talk about how to respond when someone shares their feelings with you.
And we'll practice more conversations.
Thank you for listening to part 1.
You're doing great.
Keep practicing.
See you in part 2.
Welcome back to Learning English with Megan and David.
We're so glad you could join us today.
In part 1, we learned that simple sentences are powerful.
We learned that you don't need perfect English.
And we learned that feelings come before grammar.
Now, in part 2, we're going to add a little more detail.
Just a little, not too much.
Sometimes you want to explain why you feel a certain way.
You can do this with very simple words.
Let me show you. I'm happy because I got a new job.
See, I added because I got a new job.
That gives more information.
But it's still simple.
Let's hear more examples.
I'm tired because I worked late.
I'm nervous because I have a test tomorrow.
I'm excited because my family is visiting.
I'm sad because I miss my home.
Notice we use the word because.
This word connects your feeling to the reason.
Let's practice saying because slowly.
Because.
Because.
Now, let's practice full sentences.
I'm happy because.
Pause and finish the sentence.
Good, let's try another.
I'm worried because. Pause.
Excellent.
Now, let's learn another way to add detail.
You can use the word about.
Like this. I'm worried about my test.
I'm excited about the weekend.
I'm nervous about my interview.
I'm happy about my new apartment.
See, we use about to say what the feeling is connected to.
Let's practice. I'm worried about.
Pause.
I'm excited about.
Pause.
Great job.
Now, let's talk about how to respond when someone shares their feelings.
This is very important.
When someone tells you how they feel, you should respond.
You don't need a long response.
Just something short and kind.
Let me give you examples.
If someone says, I'm sad,
You can say, I'm sorry to hear that.
or that's hard.
Or, I understand.
All of these are good responses.
Let's practice.
I'm really tired today.
I'm sorry, that's tough.
I'm excited about my new job.
That's wonderful, congratulations.
I'm nervous about my presentation.
I understand. You'll do great.
See? Short responses that show you care.
Now you try. I'll tell you a feeling and you respond.
Ready?
I'm really stressed right now.
Pause and respond.
Thank you. Let's try another.
I'm so happy today. Pause.
That's great. Thank you.
You're doing wonderful.
Now let's learn some phrases for when you don't know how you feel.
Sometimes people ask how you are and you're not sure.
That's okay. You can say, I'm not sure.
Or, I'm okay, I guess.
Or, I'm feeling mixed emotions.
All of these are honest answers.
Let's practice.
How are you feeling today?
I'm not sure, honestly.
That's okay. Let me know if you want to talk. See, that's a good conversation.
Being honest is always better than pretending.
If you don't know how you feel, it's okay to say that.
People will understand.
Now, let's do another role play.
This time, imagine you're talking to a friend.
Okay, I'll start. Hey, how have you been?
I've been okay, a little stressed with work. How about you?
Same here. I'm tired, but I'm managing.
I understand. Work can be exhausting.
Yeah, but I'm excited about the weekend.
Me too. Any plans?
Not really, just rest. That sounds perfect.
See? A natural, honest conversation.
Neither of us used complicated English.
But we communicated clearly.
Now, let's practice. I'll start a conversation.
Hey, how are you feeling today?
Pause and answer.
I'm sorry to hear that. Or, that's great.
What have you been up to? Pause.
Nice. Thanks for sharing.
Excellent work.
Now let's recap everything we learned today.
This is important.
First, we learned that you don't need perfect English to express your feelings.
Simple sentences are powerful.
We learned basic feeling words: happy, sad, tired, nervous, excited, worried.
We learned that feelings come before grammar.
Communication is more important than perfection.
We learned how to add simple details using because and about.
I'm happy because I got a new job.
I'm nervous about my interview.
We learned how to respond when someone shares their feelings.
I'm sorry to hear that. That's wonderful. I understand.
We learned what to say when you're not sure how you feel.
I'm not sure. I'm okay, I guess. I'm feeling mixed emotions.
We practiced real conversations.
And we saw that short, simple sentences work perfectly in real life.
The most important lesson is this: your feelings matter.
And you can express them in English even if your English isn't perfect.
Don't wait until your English is perfect to start speaking.
Because perfection doesn't exist.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers.
What matters is that you communicate,
That you share.
that you connect with others.
And you can do that right now, even with simple English.
So here's your challenge for today.
Tell someone how you feel in English. Use a simple sentence. I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm excited.
If you don't have anyone to talk to, write it down.
Write 3 sentences about how you feel today.
And remember, you don't need perfect grammar.
You just need honesty.
Thank you so much for listening to episode 1.
We're so proud of you for being here.
Learning a new language is brave.
You're doing something difficult.
And you're doing great.
Keep going.
See you in episode 2.
We'll talk about how to speak English when you feel nervous or anxious.
It's going to help so many people.
Until then, keep practicing. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Please subscribe to the channel.
See you next time.